The Echoes of Lira. In the quaint town of Melodia, where cobblestone streets wound like a carefully composed melody, lived a reclusive musician named Elara. She was known for her hauntingly beautiful violin pieces, which resonated through the air like whispers of forgotten dreams. Despite her talent, she shunned the limelight, preferring the company of her music to that of people. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm golden hue over the town, Elara decided to venture to the old amphitheater, a relic of a bygone era. The structure, draped in ivy, held remnants of countless performances, each echoing the passion and despair of its past. As she played, her violin sang a story of longing and hope. The notes danced like fireflies in the dusk, weaving through the shadows and illuminating the hearts of those who happened upon her. Unbeknownst to Elara, a small crowd began to gather, drawn by the enchanting sounds that seemed to transcend reality. Among them was a young girl named Lira, whose eyes sparkled with wonder. Captivated by Elara's performance, she felt a profound connection to the music, as if it spoke directly to her soul. Inspired, Lira approached Elara after the final note faded into silence. "Your music is magic," Lira whispered, her voice trembling with awe. "Will you teach me to play?" Elara, taken aback by the girl's sincerity, saw in Lira the spark of passion she once had. With a gentle smile, she replied, "Music is not just learned, it's felt. Let us discover its depths together." And so, in the echoes of the amphitheater, a new melody began to unfold, a duet of dreams, bridging the gap between the past and the future, united by the timeless language of music.